Hello guys, I am Deposit. How to make blank Facebook name like this? You can invisible your name from Facebook profile for everyone. Don't worry, today I am going to showing you how can invisible your name from Facebook. You can see my name is showing here. How do invisible this? Go to the three line and click setting, click personal information and click name section. I provided the blank text link from video description. You can copy here from blank text. Long press 3 to 4 seconds and select all and copy from all text. And cut the your name and paste blank text that you copied from the video description link. Revisions and type your password to save changes. You can see my name is really invisible.